Good day, everyone. Welcome to our lesson in math. Last time, when we discussed all about comparing fractions, today we're going to study all about ordering fractions. Let's study the following set of fractions: 7/8, 2/8, 5/8, and 4/8. These are what we call similar fraction because they have the same denominators. In arranging the set of similar fractions, remember, in a set of fractions with the same denominator or similar fractions, the one with the greatest numerator is the biggest fraction. As you can see, 4/5 has the greatest numerator. That's why it is the biggest fraction. If we arrange the set of fractions from smallest to biggest, we arrange them in ascending order, or least to greatest: 2/8, 4/8, 5/8, and 7/8. 2/8 is the least or the smallest fraction, going to the biggest fraction, which is 7/8. Next, if we arrange the set of fractions from the biggest to the smallest, we arrange them in descending order, or greatest to least. We have 4/4, 3/4, 2/4, and 1/4. As you can see, 4/4 is the greatest fraction and 1/4 is the smallest fraction. This is arranged in descending order. Let's study the following set of fractions. We have 3/8, 3/4, 3/6, and 3/5. As you can see, these are the similar fraction with the same numerator. And when I say dissimilar fraction, they don't have the same denominator. Maybe it has the same numerator. In a set of fractions with the same numerator, the one with the smallest denominator is the biggest fraction. As you can see, we have 3/5, 3/6, 3/7, and 3/8. 3/5 is the smallest has the smallest denominator, but this is considered as the biggest fraction. And 3/8 has the greatest denominator, considered as the smallest fraction. How do we arrange a dissimilar fraction? If we arrange a set of fractions from smallest to biggest, we arrange them in ascending order. That is least to greatest. We have 2/8, 2/7, 2/6, and 2/5. As you can see, this set of fractions are arranged in ascending order. 2/8 serve as the smallest fraction, going to the biggest fraction, that is 2/5. Another, if we arrange the set of fractions from the biggest to smallest, we arrange them in descending order. This is greatest to least: 1/3, 1/4, 1/6, and 1/8. As you can see, 1/3 is the biggest fraction, going to the smallest fraction, which is 1/8. Just remember, in a set of fractions with the same denominator, the one with the greatest numerator is the biggest fraction. And remember, in a set of fractions with the same numerator, the one with the smallest denominator is the biggest fraction. Just remember. Now, are you ready for the board activity? Write the number with the smallest fraction. We have 1/6, 1/2, and 1/3. What is the smallest fraction? The correct answer is 1/6. That is the smallest fraction. How about this one? 5/6, 5/5, and 5/8. What is the smallest fraction? The correct answer is 5/8. This is the smallest fraction. How about this one? 2/8, 2/4, and 2/6. What is the smallest fraction? The correct answer is 2/8. This is the smallest fraction. How about this? 1/8, 4/8, and 6/8. What is the smallest fraction? The smallest fraction is 1/8. Now, this one, 1/5, 4/5, and 2/5. What is the smallest fraction? The correct answer is 1/5. This is the smallest fraction. Round 2. Write the number with the greatest fraction or the biggest fraction. 1/5, 4/5, or 2/5. What is the greatest fraction? The correct answer is 4/5. This is the greatest fraction. How about this? 2/8, 2/4, and 2/6. What is the greatest fraction? The correct answer is 2/4. This is the greatest fraction. We have 5/6, 5/5, and 5/8. What is the greatest fraction? The greatest fraction is 5/5. 1/8, 4/8, and 6/8. What is the greatest fraction? The correct answer is 6/8. This is the greatest fraction. 1/6, 1/2, and 1/3. What is the greatest fraction? The greatest fraction is 1/2. Again, remember, in a set of fractions with the same denominator, the one with the greatest numerator is the biggest fraction. Remember, in a set of fractions with the same numerator, the one with the smallest denominator is the biggest fraction. That's all for today. I hope you learned something. See you again next time. Bye!